is, do we need to go into the ground ballroom or?
No, darling, no, that's a function.
Well, Josie said go into the Phoenicia and go all the way to the back. That's what I'm asking.
The Phoenicia entrance is round there, yeah? I got the Christmas market out there, look.
Yeah, it's starting now. But the stalls are so expensive, you know. I would do one, but they're too expensive. Don't €20 or something a day.
I told you they did parking here. Valet parking.
Yeah, it's strictly for hotel guests. Well, I have so many windows, unfortunately I don't have round ones.
What's that red and white thing up ahead?
I think it's the ice rink again. No, this would be the merry-go-round.
Yeah?
Yeah. The
Right to the back, darling, yeah? There we go, that's good. Hello. My daughter's already here, I think. Freddie?
Yes, please.
Thank you. Hello.
Oh,
how are you?
I'm good, I'm good.
Mwah.
All right, honey.
Yeah, good. I'm good.
Yeah, it was not my fault, it was their
Yes, it was. You didn't allow enough time to get here.
No, he told me to go the wrong way.
No, Dad, really?
You have to allow an
You
hour.
got a cold again.
Yeah, I'm getting sick. I've been taking the cold and flu tablets. And I was having honey and lemon yesterday. So,
I think we need to take your tonsils out.
but they're not that big.
They're not that big, yeah, but they keep...
Should we
Yeah.
pull the cracker, John?
Is that what you do straight away?
No, not now.
No, not now.
No, I don't think so.
Well, you still look good, but
Thanks.
yeah. So this is the soon-to-be birthday girl.
I love the jumper, it's so cool. Stussy.
I work just to dress the child.
It's fake. What do you think of the suit then, Joe?
Don't say that. Officially not. Don't do that. This is really becoming a bad habit. You have to tell him.
This is like snake.
It's silk.
I know, but it's like snake print.
It's nice though. He can carry it off. Not many men can wear this.
I've never seen like the gold buttons.
Yeah, lovely, aren't they? Because it goes with the gold. This is the gold collection from.
Of course.
From 1921. Dad is clearly born in the wrong century, you know. He should have either been in India on a big elephant, you know, flapping around. Or in about 500 years, you know.
Listen, at the end of the day, it's a bespoke Gresham blade. Yeah?
I'm complimenting you. I'm not criticizing.
Okay, where's my champagne?
We're just taking notes.
Oh no, actually, it won't be champagne, will it? It's Prosecco, yeah?
If you want to pay more, you can get champagne.
No, you don't need champagne, John. You get hiccups anyways of that. He can't do the bubbles anymore, you know.
You'll be asleep.
I did share my life occasion.
I
Did you
saw
see
it, yeah.
Obviously, as soon as I shared, I could drive properly because I was on my road, not on theirs, you know. Oh, we need to go Birkirkara bypass. I said, no, Birkirkara is better. We go through Birkirkara. It was only...
Yeah, because then you can cut down to MC.
Exactly. Yes, that's what I ultimately did by going...
Can I have yourself a sip?
No, thank you.
You
Johnny,
can have some, John.
You want
You
Prosecco?
some?
No. He wants orange juice, fresh orange
I'll
juice.
have some. Yes, please.
I could also bring you orange juice, okay?
Do you want fresh orange juice? No?
And they have peach juice as well. Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, peach juice, John, no?
Yeah, I'll have a peach juice, yeah. I shouldn't.
When I came last time, basically, so they had orange juice, peach juice, and then you put like the orange and peach juice into the prosecco to make it like a mimosa. And some of the girls, they had like the roast beef, and I didn't realize there was gravy on the table. And
Oh no, I can see it, yes, I can feel it coming up.
so
You didn't put the gravy in your drink.
Yes, because I didn't I was like, oh, I didn't think there was anything else. I was like, okay, I wanted the peach juice. I was the darkest one on the table, so I just took it, put it in my drink. It was gravy, and I drank it. And everyone's like, what are you doing, Josie? I'm like, I didn't know there was gravy on the table.
It's now in my glass, and now I try to drink it, and it's
It was
not
disgusting.
nice. Ooh, this is
Did
beautiful.
you drink it?
Yeah,
She tried it.
I had a face like immediately.
What, you're drinking gravy in your drink?
I accidentally put the gravy in my prosecco.
You just did your hair, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks nice.
Yeah. Well, mine.
I had to do a
it
double
went all.
take to
Look,
check it
went
was
all
you.
fluffy.
Really?
It what?
I was going to give you a big hug, and I thought, oh, I wonder if it's not Josie.
Really? Thank you, Johnny.
Don't you want to
Oh,
do
you
it,
get
John?
your own. Oh no. It's parked and then it gets picked up again. Cheers.
Cheers.
Chin, of course. Lock at them.
Bottoms
There
up.
are the alcoholics,
Chin, chin.
you know.
We haven't clinked.
We haven't clicked for years, honey.
Lovely.
Said that. But it
I'm
just,
gonna put
there was an
some-
opening.
It's peach juice.
No
That
gravy
makes
yet.
it a, what's that cocktail with peach juice?
Bellini.
Bellini, that's right.
want
Well
some?
done.
Well done. I don't think that's knowledge you should have.
Yes,
Yeah.
it is.
No.
Of course
Yeah.
it is.
Come on.
You have to know your cocktails,
You don't
darling.
need to know your cocktails. Just
You
go by
do.
the colour.
Shows education.
Yeah, just what type of education?
It's important that you
High
know
percentage
cocktails.
ones, yeah? You know what happened to the guy in Cocktails in the movie? He died. Yeah?
Everyone dies.
Very important
No,
when
I
you go
can't
to
drink
Trader
that.
Vic's at the Hilton. Yeah?
Huh?
You must know your cocktails when you go to Trader Vic's at the Hilton.
Oh,
Who's
I'm
a
gonna
Vix?
go
What's a
there.
Vix? What?
Trader Vic, it's a world international renowned cocktail bar.
Well, you haven't taken me, so you don't need to be so pompous over there in your 1920s suit, all right?
Anything derogatory that you say, I will cut out.
Good. Keeps you busy editing that video, won't it? Well, I look forward to that. Because last time we had this, he walked away, left me with the bill and the waiter looking at me like, what the fuck happened, you know?
Oh.
Yeah. Because he insisted on
She was
filming while I'm
snapping
eating.
at me.
What
She was
was that?
snapping.
We agreed 10 minutes and you just pushed the boundaries and you just didn't switch it off. And then he says, I said, did you switch it off? And he says, oh, well, yes,
But-
it's on time lapse. So it's still filming.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
I hate being filmed when I'm eating. So put that condom over it and stop it now.
No. The deal was that when the food arrived, after some of the food is served, yes, so we
So
get
first, did they
shots
explain
of the,
everything to you?
of the food, and then we'll start.
Did they
When you
explain
start
everything to you or
eating,
just came in?
They just waved us in.
So basically, first we can go up here and take anything from the buffet,
oh, lovely. Okay.
and then we have to choose like a hot dish, and then they'll bring it out when they're ready. basically.
When they're
Cool.
ready. All right.
So this is for
so
2
we go
days
and,
food
go
then,
and
yeah?
choose our stuff there, yeah?
Come on
then.
Yeah, we
It's
go.
2 days food, no? On
Yes.
my calorie.
Yeah, but
I don't need to cut. I don't need to choose this now, no?
no, they will come around.
Oh, where was the butter, John?
It's the things I told you about.
Oh, that was butter, was it? Those little round things. I didn't know that. Okay. Oh, this is great, John, isn't it?
Please switch off now, yeah?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Thank you.
I'll wait for Daisy to come back, yeah?
Okay.
They must have a machine that sort of does this themselves.
What's that?
That does the butter.
A machine for the butter.
Yeah, makes the butter that it maps it like
She's
this.
arrived.
Okay, no. Stand by. Bye bye for now. We'll be back very, very soon.